What's up, everybody? You're watching Oscorp. Today, I'm going to be opening up Astral Radiance booster box number 7. We're finally getting to a pretty high number for this set. I have 17 out of 30, and yeah, it's still trekking along. I have one more box after that, and I was hoping that I can do it for a giveaway, but I'm sorry to the viewers that I might keep it for myself just so I can complete this little set. I'm a little disappointed of the progress that I'm making, but hey, I guess this is how the game works, right? But before I open up this box, I want to give a shout out to 2 of my viewers. One is Juicy P. I think they changed their name to Juicy Purser now, and Jason VT Sports Guy. They both been cheering me on when I was opening up booster box number 3. They think that I'm able to go and complete my TG set by box number 7, and this is box number 7 right here. So this is going to be a lucky one. Hopefully my 2 viewers that have been cheering me on is going to bring me some more luck by opening up this one and seeing what we can get in this box. So let's go and get into these packs. I just put everything off to the right hand side. So pack number 1, let's go. What kind of cards do we get in our lucky number 7 box? We'll do the code trick for the first and last pack. We'll keep that as some sort of tradition or something like that. Or remix it up. Nothing in the first pack. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. Number 7 is seeming pretty lucky. Adrian, Duckbutt, don't need you. Mariana. So to be honest, to finish this off, like my TG journey, I think that just getting the star mean would be perfect, and then I could just go and buy the rest. More duck butt. Lucario. Alright, last pack for this half. Second half. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but Kingdra, I hit my camera and it moved a lot. We got a trainer gallery card, Kingdra. I don't need you. Ooh, I don't have this one. Damn, this one's really cool. Ooh, got a trainer gallery card and I need this one. Nice. Xtian Typhlosion. Machamp VMAX. Nice card. Whoa. Slippery. Cleaver Trainer Gallery. Oh, I got another one of these guys. Last pack magic for booster box, lucky number 7. Ooh, not so much last pack magic on that one. Let's do a recap. For the V's, I have Xtian. My niece calls it Duckbutt. I got a Lucario V. I like this Machamp V a lot. And Hisuian Typhlosion. And another Origin Form Palkia V. And then we have 2 of VMAX cards. Xtian, Duckbutt, and Machamp V. Both look nice. I'll put you right there. Where's Machamp? Right there. I got a Irida Rainbow Rare. I'm looking for some sort of design that's in the back. You can kind of see it's like a little bit of squiggly line. It's like right here and right here. That's cool. And for the Trainer Gallery, I have 4 Trainer Gallery cards, which is Kingdra, Cleaver, Mightyena, and the one I don't have, which is Melanie. I got one. I got one out of this box. Alright, going back to Pokelector, whatever it's called. I got a Melanie, so here we go. We have 18 out of 30 now. We got 12 cards left. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for the 2 viewers that I shout out for giving me the luck to get another Trainer Gallery card and this Irida card, which is probably the biggest hit out of the whole box. Actually, I don't know how much this cost, but this is the one that's most important to me. So haha. But thank you again for watching. Hit that like button, smash that like button again. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.